Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome everyone to another video here on Justin Garden. So today guys, we're going to do part 2 of this hobby box. We opened up one box. If you guys haven't seen that video, make sure you all go back and check that out. It's a 46-minute video. Also, if you're new, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Love for y'all to come join us for more content, more videos. Anyway, before we get started with the second box, I have one card that was in for part 1. That I do apologize I did not get. So this was the Martin Truex Jr. that I missed by mistake. And I do apologize. It's a blue Martin Truex Jr. card. 277 out of 299 of Martin Truex Jr. So hopefully guys we can find some more good hits. But yeah guys, so if you're also new, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Love for y'all to come join us for more content, more videos. So anyway, the last one we did, we found some really good, excellent, good hits. So hopefully guys, we keep finding we find something good. So without further ado guys, there's the box. If you guys want to, you guys could go back and watch the preview video. So I'm not sure, you guys cannot see the odds or anything, but so without further ado, guys, let's go ahead and get started. Want to try to keep this video under 22 minutes. Want to try to keep this video under 22 minutes this time, so let's get started. Been looking forward, guys, to open up this box. We already did one. I'm gonna get some more of these so we can, hopefully, guys, we can find some more Jimmie Johnson hits. That's what I'm looking for. Hopefully, guys, we can find some more Jimmie Johnson hits. Like it there. So. We got our packs right there. Right there they are. So, alright guys, so let me go ahead and get the rest of these out of the packs and then I'll do what I need to do. Okay, so I got them all out of the box, so let's go ahead guys, remember like we did the last time, so we're going to open up 2 packs and then we'll go on from there. So, speed up the progress more, faster. If I feel anything hard or something thick like a relic, we'll save that for last. So. Alright, so we'll start with these 2 packs here. We're looking for number cards, autographs, 1 autograph and stuff. So we have Todd Dillon, Jimmie Johnson. I'm going to add this to my Jimmie pile. Daniel Suarez, Kyle Larson, Eric. Okay, so we'll save that right. Alright guys, so we'll save that for last. Alright, we got Kurt Busch, Brad Keselowski, Martin Truex Jr., and Carmen Haley. Something like that. So, we have these packs here now. We have Michael Annett. We have Carl Edwards, Joe Logano, Chris Buescher, Denny Hamlin, Richard Petty, the King, Richard Petty. That's a nice one. Ricky Stenhouse Jr., Joey Logano, Jamie McMurray, and Denny Hamlin. like we're going to do, guys. We're going to do 2 packs at a time to speed up the progress a little bit. Okay, we got Matty D, Casey Mears, yeah, we got Casey Mears, Kyle Busch, Denny Hamlin, Matt Kenseth, Carbon Haley, rookie, Carl Edwards, Ryan Blaney, Danica Patrick, and Great Biffle. If you guys haven't seen part 1, you guys can go watch part 1. So, got Joey Logano, Casey Kane, Austin Dillon, Kyle Larson, John Hunter Nemechek, a Lending Castle Green, 37 out of 199, Lending Castle, Chase Elliott, Bobby Labonte, Ryan Blaney, and Jeffrey Earnhardt. And of course we have these, so we'll put all these together, so get this done. We have Christopher Bell, Austin Dillon, Ross Chastain, Jamie Murray, Regan Smith. We got a Brendan Gaughan, not numbered. I think some of these are backwards. Yeah, some of these are backwards. Okay, so got Brett Keselowski, Tyler Reddick, and Kevin Harvick, and we have a Brendan Gaughan. 389 out of 489. 389 out of 499, excuse me. Alright, yeah, this one feels thick. Save that one. Whatever one, guys, feels fake. Thick, I mean. Yeah, I'm going to do this, guys. I'm going to try to keep this video under... We're going to keep this calm and stuff. Alright. Martin Truex Jr., Bubba Wallace, Jimmie Johnson, put that in my pile. Elliott Sadler, Clint Boyer. Wow. Race Kings, Casey Mears. Not numbered. Still a nice one. Dale Earnhardt Jr., Clint Boyer, Ryan Newman, and another Jimmie Johnson. One of these guys feels thick. Speed up the progress a little bit. We're just doing this, guys, to try to speed up the progress a little bit. Alright, let's get the rest of these. Alright guys, we'll do with that right there. Let's get one more pack open. Alright, we'll do with that. Okay. Alright, we'll save those right there. Okay. Joey Logano, Kyle Busch, Tyler Reddick, Kirk Busch, Todd Gilliland. Crack Ice. 265 out of 999. Nice one. Nice numbered. Kyle Petty. Looks like throwback from 84. Look, he had the mustache and everything back then. That crazy hair. I gotta say, guys, he probably still has crazy hair right to this day. Chris Buescher, Chase Elliott, Paul Menard, Ricky Montrex Jr., Dale Earnhardt Jr., Michael Maddow, Danica Patrick, and Brad Keselowski. And we have this Carl Edwards. Nice Carl Edwards right here. Trackmasters. Not numbered. Still a nice card. Darrell Waltrip, throwback from 84. That's a nice one. Got Johnny Sauter, Casey King, Ryan Reed, and Kevin Harvick. See what we get here. Ryan Newman, Matt Kenseth, Michael Annett, Carl Edwards, Joey Logano, and Chris Buescher. Kyle Busch. And this is ice right here. And it's numbered 535 out of 999. Ice, Kyle Busch. That one's numbered. Some Kyle Busch fans probably going to go nuts. Chase Elliott. That's a nice throwback for Chase Elliott. Look like going back to the 84 design. Trevor Bayne, Kyle Busch, Chase Elliott, and Dale Earnhardt Jr. Eric Jones, Kevin Harvick, David Reagan, Alex Bowman. Got a nice Dale Earnhardt Jr. right here. Speed right here. Not numbered. Nice one right there. Carl Edwards, top tier. That's a nice Carl Edwards right there. Top tier. Landon Castle and Jimmie Johnson. Pit crew. I'll add that to the Jimmie pile. And we got this stack right here. Tony Stewart, Trevor Bayne, Matt Crafton, Brad Keselowski. We got a nice Terry Labonte. That's a nice Terry Labonte right there. Nice. Bill Elliott, throwback, and this one is numbered 231 out of 299. Not sure if you guys can see that or not, but 231 out of 299. That's nice. That's a nice one. Matt Kenseth, Regan Smith, Ben Kennedy, and Brian Scott. Alright, for some reason. Alright guys, let me get some more of these packs cut and I'll be right back. Okay, after doing some organizing, so guys, these two right here are fat. These are fat. So we're going to save these for last. And we're going to get on to these right now. We're going to remember, guys, we're going to do like what we did the last time to speed up the process. I got packs and stuff everywhere, so. We're just doing this, guys, to speed up the process a little bit. Alright guys, we'll do this one here, and then we'll, because I want to try to keep these videos under. Okay. Alright, we got an A.J. Allmendinger, William Byron, Kyle Busch, Justin Allgaier, Call to the Hall, Richard Childers. That's a nice one. Daniel Suarez, gold. And it's numbered 202 out of 499. And it's 2016 champ. From the Xfinity Series. Warren Truex Jr., Paul Menard, Kevin Harvick, and Danica Patrick. Okay, so we have a one right here. Matt Kenseth. I can't tell what that says. Okay, sorry about that. Had to run some. Okay, so we got Matt Kenseth. Had no clue what that says. Probably special K, something like that. Danica Patrick, Great Biffle, Paul Menard, Warren Truex Jr., Matty D, Casey Mears, Kyle Busch, Denny Hamlin, Michael Waltrip, Donruss, Ned Jarrett. And it is number 185 out of 199. Ned Jarrett. That's a nice one. Let's see here. We got Kevin Harvick, Danica Patrick, Johnny Sauter, Casey Kane, Justin Allgaier, Dale Earnhardt Jr., Michael McDowell, Brad Keselowski, Joey Logano, cracked ice, and it is numbered 504 out of 999. Joey Logano, crack ice, 2016 cut to the chase, Donruss. Race Kings, Ryan Blaney, not numbered. Nice card. We got a Paul Menard, Warren Truex Jr., Kurt Busch, and Brad Keselowski. We got a Kevin Harvick throwback from 84, not numbered. Warren Truex Jr., Cameron Haley, Chase Elliott, Bobby Labonte, Michael Annett, Cole Edwards, Joey Logano, Denny Hamlin. Chase Elliott, blue, and it is numbered 68 out of 299. Chase Elliott, blue. That's a nice one. Brad Keselowski, Brendan Gaughan, Cole Edwards. See what else we get here. Alright, let's do the rest of these. Alex Bowman. This one is numbered 10 out of 99. Alex Bowman, press proof. Alex Bowman. That's a nice one. Great Biffle. Look like a throwback from the 80s. Yeah, if you guys want to go back and watch part 1, I'm mostly already done opening these up, so. Alright guys, so we have like a couple of packs left. Just trying to keep this video under 24 minutes is what I'm trying to do, so. Alright, let's get through these, and we're just going to look for numbers and stuff the rest of the way. If you're kind of curious. What's this one? Chase Elliott, pole position. And it's numbered 469 out of 999. Don't worry guys, I'm gonna be doing probably another video after this one. Crack ice. That's a nice one. Chase Elliott. Great Biffle. Race Kings. Chase Elliott, Dale Earnhardt Jr., Casey King, and Great Biffle. Let's go through these. Got a Great Biffle. This one is low number right here. 41 out of 49. Great Biffle. 41 out of 49. That's a nice one. That's a really, really nice one there. Michael Waltrip. 84 design. Okay. Now the all truth you guys been waiting for. Let's do this. Okay, everybody. Let's do this. Alrighty, guys. Let's do this here. Let's find someone good. We'll save the relics and stuff and autograph stuff for last. Got a nice Chase Elliott right there. Remember, guys, we'll save the autograph and stuff for last. Okay. I gotta flip this over. Kenseth. Ooh! Got a nice Jimmie Johnson right here. Okay. Now the moment you all been waiting for. Let's do this one. Got a nice Jimmie Johnson cut to the chase. 2016. Not numbered. Okay, Jimmy. What are you hiding us? Denny Hamlin. Whoa. That's a pretty good one there. Not numbered, but that's still a nice hit right there. Denny Hamlin. Okay, Chase Elliott, who are you hiding? Okay, it's going to be himself. Chase Elliott, Chase Elliott. It's a nice Chase Elliott right there. It's not the driver I wanted, but it's Chase Elliott, so. As when I saw Hendrick there, I'm thinking a moment ago, please be a Jimmie Johnson. It was a Chase Elliott. Not the one I was expecting, but we'll take it. Okay, Adrian, and then we got this nice Chase Elliott here. Not numbered. Not numbered. All right, so we got who is this autograph? Then we're going to have to get out of here. Center Series. Bobby Ellison. Wow, that's a nice one. And then it's numbered. 14 out of 25. Bobby Ellison. All right, y'all, I got to go. Bye.